You're watching PBS Documentary Hour for people who want to feel smart while watching TV. Up next, a nature documentary. PBS is proud to present The Mystery of Birdcalls because a British voiceover can make any topic interesting.
The Mystery of Birdcalls is brought to you by the American Bird Foundation, the Society of Secret Birds, the Affluent Family, and contributions to your PBS station by viewers like you. Yeah, you. Right there, in the front. Yeah. Thanks. We really appreciate it. I promise.
Nature. You love it. Not enough to actually go outside, but enough to listen to me talk about it for 2 hours. Birds. They're majestic flying animals that poo on your car and fly into your windows. Majestically. All birds have one thing in common. Feathers. But that's not what this documentary is about. Birds also share the gift of song. Dr. Julian J. Karaginen has spent his whole life studying the mystery of bird calls.
Birds make many calls for many reasons that science have yet to explain. These noises are produced by special noise organs that science have yet to discover. And many different species of birds have very unique bird calls, a phenomenon that science have yet to explain.
Deep in the forest of southwest Borneo resides a peculiar bird with a very unique call. The Chansius rapicus uses this unique call to attract its mate. Let's have a listen, shall we?
Yeah?
Halfway across the globe in the mangrove forests of Florida lives a little bird with a big voice. Watch as we observe the elusive Kanye Westicus call to establish its territory, a spectacle never before caught on film. Let's have a listen, shall we? Dr. Julian Karaginen has been in the forests of northern Scandinavia for the past 7 months, studying the calls of Vikingus odinus, the Norlock wren.
I've been searching for that damn bird for 7 months now. I hear it all around me, but it invades me still.
Well, that was useless. Anyway, deep in the wilds of Canada, a bizarre bird fills the forest with its bizarre call. Americus designerie with 2 eyes uses this strange call to attract the bugs that make up its diet. Let's have a listen, shall we? We now travel to the rainforests of Central America, where a juvenile young female, Youngicus cisterus, is attempting to produce song for the first time. Let's have a listen, shall we?
Wiki fresh.
This inexperienced juvenile still has a lot to learn. Deep within the tropical rainforest lives a recently discovered bird with a very distinctive call. It is unknown why the Magnus shaquis makes such a bonkers call, but it sure is entertaining. Let's have a listen, shall we?
The thing goes
We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the magical, mystical, mysterious world of bird calls. We'll see you next week on Plants. They just sit there, but we promise they're interesting.
The Mystery of Birdcalls is brought to you by the American Bird Foundation, the Society of Secret Birds, the Affluent Family, and contributions to your PBS station by viewers like you. No, not you. The bloke with the hair. No, the curly hair. Yeah, you. Thanks for the cash and the food.